fly the Airwolf today, and inshallah he will do a good job. So down, left, hold it, leave it, start, neutral, middle, yeah. Now wait for it. Watch the helicopter. Wait for it. Now slow it. Position. So try to not let it fly. Yeah, hold this position. Now fly it around. When you push forward and you want to go left, you should also do a little bit left. It's all yours. Take it away. Yeah, see, mashallah. Now you're doing a beautiful right turn. Okay, stop. Stop moving closer. Yeah. Just see which way the stick will work. Know your orientation, okay? If nose pointing to you, right is left, left is right. Remember that. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Don't take too much speed on the first try. Slow down. Beautiful. Nice control, Arish. So later what we will do is, Arish will fly Airwolf, I will fly Cobra, we'll chase each other inshallah, okay? Now landing, find a flat spot, forward and back. Slowly, slowly. Then you will immediately, as soon as you touch down, so just switch up. Beautiful! Mashallah! Very nice flight, Arish. You fly this, I fly Cobra, or you fly Cobra, I fly this. Up to you. We chase each other, okay? Alright. How was the flight, people? What do you think? Which helicopter do you think Arish should fly next? Let us know in video comments.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.
Things alishanmao here. Assalamu alaikum. Arish Ali is going to